Tools. A tool is designed to perform a specific function that helps you accomplish an essential task. And this video is about functional, field-tested tools, knives, saws, shovels, ferro rods, and other key tools for camping and survival. Essential tool number one is a water filter. You can only survive 3 days without drinkable water. So a water filter is vital for safe hydration, cooking, and cleaning. And the tool that I recommend is the Platypus QuickDraw. It filters 32 ounces of water in less than a minute. It weighs just 3.3 ounces and it packs down nice and small. It has protective caps, a flip cap on this end, protective caps on both ends to keep it clean, which is really safe. It's easy to backflush, and it's the only water filter with an in-field integrity check. That is super important for safety. It's got this very rugged, non-slip, durable construction. It has universal threads for almost every water bottle or squeeze bag. The Platypus QuickDraw is fast, it's lightweight, it's highly reliable, and it costs $39.95. The link is below. If you want a deeper dive, check out my video, Sawyer Squeeze versus Platypus QuickDraw, why I switched. That link is below too. Essential tool number two is a cook pot. It's not enough to have clean water. You've got to have something to put your clean water in and cook. And boiling water, preparing meals, and gathering and storing is a everyday common essential for camping and survival. And the tool that I recommend is this Solo Stovepot 1800. It holds up to 1.8 liters, which is suitable for meals, but it's not too big. It's made from high quality stainless steel for longevity and resistance to corrosion. This thing only weighs 12.5 ounces. I love the top handle. I love these fold out handles for easy grabbing. It also has a nice spout to prevent spills and a nice grab handle for the lid and volume markers for precise measuring on the inside. The Solo is well designed. It's durable. It's practical in size. It's $45.99. Link is below. Essential tool number three is a knife. Hey, I'm Matt, and I lead adventure trips to epic places for refreshment and renewal. Download my free Best Camping Experience Gear Guide with all the high quality outdoor gear, gadgets, tools, clothing that I own and recommend you put in your pack. The link is below. A knife is indispensable for camping and survival tasks. From starting a fire to processing food to building a shelter, a knifeless man is a lifeless man. So goes the Nordic proverb. And the tool that I recommend is the Wright Genesis. This is an amazing knife. It has a 4.25 spear point blade with a Scandi grind that's suitable for every single bushcraft task. It's got a 90-degree sharpened spine for throwing sparks off a ferro rod like crazy. It's got this nice broomstick handle with thumb scallops for a comfortable grip. It comes with a premium leather dangler sheath with a loop for a 3/8 inch fire seal. The Wright Genesis is a supremely built, handcrafted bushcraft knife designed to last a lifetime and then pass down to your grandson. And for a thorough review of the Genesis, check out my video, Bushcraft Knife Showdown. I'll leave the link below for that. The price for the Genesis starts at $231. Equip yourself. There is a link to purchase below. Essential tool number four is the ferro rod. Fire is essential for warmth, cooking, morale, repelling bugs and animals, and signaling. And matches get wet and blow out. Lighters run out of fuel, but a ferro rod provides a reliable spark regardless of the weather. And the tool that I recommend is the Texas Bushcraft Fire Starter. This thing produces sparks over 5,000 degrees, capable of igniting a variety of tinder materials. It's long lasting and capable of over 15,000 strikes, and it includes this striker with a bottle opener and a hex wrench and a map scale. It's $16.95. The link is below. Essential tool number 5 is a saw. For processing firewood, building shelters, clearing up camp and trails, the saw is an essential tool. And I recommend the Silky Professional Pocketboy Outback Edition. This thing is made with premium steel. It has hardened teeth that stay sharp 3 times longer than most saws. It's got this amazing composite handle for an excellent grip and control even when it's wet, making this a safe and proficient saw. It only weighs 8.8 ounces and it folds down to 8.25 inches. The Pocketboy is $63.99, and I think that's well worth it for this high quality, compact, yet durable and efficient saw. Pick one up using the link below. Essential tool number 6 is a multi-tool, but wait, if you're ready for a soul-refreshing adventure, check out my Explorer adventure, backpacking and fly fishing in Wyoming, Voyager adventure, canoeing and hunting grouse with slingshots in northern Minnesota, or Scout adventure, primitive survival skills and camping in the Texas hill country woods. The link is below. A multi-tool is essential for handling unexpected tasks and consolidates several tools into one compact device. I recommend the Leatherman Wave Plus. The Leatherman Wave Plus has 18 integrated tools, including pliers, wire cutters, a knife, saw, scissors, files, screwdrivers, covering a wide range of tasks. It weighs 8.5 ounces and measures only 4 inches when it's closed. This is made of high quality stainless steel and backed by Leatherman's 25-year warranty. It's $119.95. And here's my challenge to you. The next time you go camping, only use a multi-tool and you'll be shocked at how much you can actually get done. The purchase link is below. All right, essential tool number 7 is a compact fishing reel. Fishing provides a reliable food source, whether you're camping or in a survival situation, and a compact fishing kit allows you to catch fish without bulky gear. Plus, it's super fun. And I recommend the Crystal Creek Gear GoReel. This is it. It fits easily into your pocket or pack. It's built to withstand the rigors of outdoor use. And it includes 60 feet of 15-pound braided fishing line. It's got soft plastics in here, weighted hooks, everything that you need to fish on the go. This is well thought out, well put together. This is $30, and I really recommend that you go to Crystal Creek and add this GoReel to your list of tools and tell my friend Mike that I sent you. Link is below. Essential tool 8 is 550 Paracord. Paracord is essential for constructing shelters, securing gear, and making traps and snares. And I recommend Paracord from Paracord Planet. This is the 550-pound rated paracord. It has 7 inner strands, and it can be separated for additional uses like fishing lines or sewing threads. This is made in the US in a wide range of colors and lengths, and this 150-foot pack was $13.99. Now, I want to move on to non-essential tools. And what I mean by non-essential tools are tools that are great to have but aren't 100% necessary. And the first non-essential tool is a shovel. Now, a shovel is good for making and cleaning fire pits, digging latrines, and using as a makeshift paddle if you were ever in that terrible condition. But a shovel with sharpened edges also chops wood and clears debris, and you could even hunt with this in a certain situation. I recommend this Cold Steel Special Forces shovel with sheath. It's made from medium carbon steel. It's got a hardwood handle. It's 20 inches long. It weighs 1.3 pounds and has those 3 sharpened edges. It comes in at $34.99. Now, if you want to step it up a notch, my friend Pete, handcrafts a similar shovel that's a lot tougher and a lot lighter weight. This is the titanium pack shovel. It is only 10 ounces with these sharpened edges for $185 of badassery. I love this titanium pack shovel, and I'll leave the link for both of these shovels below depending on which one is in your budget. But hey, buy once, cry once. This thing is going to last you forever. Tool number 10, another non-essential tool, is a hatchet. A hatchet is really useful for splitting kindling, clearing brush, driving in stakes, and I love to have a hatchet with me when I'm going to be processing wood that's more than my knife is going to baton. It's compact in size, which makes it ideal for one-handed use. It also allows for precision and control, and this is my favorite hatchet. This is the Hults Bruk Almike Hatchet. It's made of hand-forged Swedish steel. The head is crafted in a historic forge that's been operating since 1697. It's got this 16-inch curved American hickory handle. I've got it wrapped with some hockey tape for better grip. This has a 1 pound head. Its total weight is 1.75 pounds, making it super easy to carry on my belt or in my backpack. This thing arrives razor sharp, and it is easy to sharpen in the field. It also comes with a traditional leather sheath. Mine's pretty wasted because I use this all the time. Hey, I own several hatchets, and this is my hands down favorite one. It's $199. I know this isn't essential, but this sure is handy to have if you're willing to pack the weight. All right, tool number 11, another non-essential item, but a very helpful item, are gloves. Gloves protect your hands from cuts and burns and abrasions and obviously cold temperatures. A reliable pair of gloves also enhances grip and comfort, making camp chores safer and more efficient. And the gloves that I recommend are these classic Giver gloves. These are awesome. Handmade in Wyoming from premium grade A cowhide leather that's durable and super soft. These are my favorite gloves ever. They're 49 bucks. I also have a pair of the lightweight Giver gloves without the lining on the inside. I wear these lined gloves in the winter and these unlined gloves in the summer. Get you some. The link is below. All right, the last tool, tool number 12, another non-essential but super fun tool to have, is a slingshot, because a slingshot provides a lightweight and silent means for hunting small game. It is compact, easy to carry, and with a bit of practice, it's very, very efficient. Plus, it's just so much fun to have, and I recommend the SimpleShot Scout LT2. This has a really comfortable grip. It supports both over the top and through the fork shooting styles. It only weighs 3.8 ounces, and the Scout LT2 is $44.99. We use it to hunt grouse on every Voyager adventure trip, which also coincides with small game season. So register for the trip and get a free slingshot. Link for both are below. Man, grab these tools for your next trip. And if you want to experience a soul-refreshing, life-resetting, clarity-giving guided adventure trip, check out my Explorer, Voyager, or Scout Wilderness trips. And hey, if this video helped you, help me by giving it a like, hitting subscribe, and checking out one of these other gear review videos to get dialed in before your next trip. Thanks for watching until the end, and remember, don't just buy high-quality outdoor gear and clothing. Get out there and use it.